video, I will going to clarify the equal high and equal low for you guys, and hope you gonna be understand it because the equal low and equal high subject gonna be so easy. The thing you're gonna do is just gonna pay attention to these stuff. I'm seeing a lot of you guys mark these stuff as equal low. I mean, this is not an equal low. If this is your sell side target, so don't just start to say this is my equal low. So I'm gonna start to clarify the equal low and equal highs for you guys. So hope you guys can understand. So the first of all, when you're gonna find your equal highs and equal lows, you're gonna pay attention to these two stuff. Okay, let's first of all talk about the equal highs. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna see, it's gonna be the trend line respect. Okay, because this trend line respect for the retail traders is so important. Okay, so you're gonna see the first and the second. You're gonna see the respect from this trend line twice. Okay, so this is so important. And the next thing gonna be the order flow subject. If you're watching this video, you know what is the order flow. If not, you must go to the main concept of the range trading and learn that again that we have in the Discord. So what I'm gonna tell you guys, let's say another explanation about the order flow. So this is gonna be how order flow look. If the order flow is in the right direction of the market, this order flow gonna be continue. Okay, so price gonna take money from this area and move to the other area. So after price tapped into here, the money is still here. The money still is here. Okay, so let me just clarify for you guys like this. Okay, let's say now this is the money. Price tapped in, now the money is here. Okay, so and after this price again and comes and tapped into its order block, the money is transferring to this area. Okay, now the money is here. So this is going to be two situation. This is going to be all liquidity. Okay, this is going to be trap. This money going to be liquidity or going to be respect. So you're going to ask yourself how I'm going to know that. Just follow the rules. Okay, just follow the buy side and sell side rules. You're going to know that easily. So this thing going to be also on the equal highs and the equal lows. Okay, so when we have this respect trend, we must see this second respect must come and take the money from here and move it to this area. Okay, so this is now this is a good equal high. Just look at here. Money was here, price tapped in, trend line respect. Now the money is here. Now the liquidity is here. The money is stuck here. Also, we have the trend line. So a lot of retail traders are starting to sell here. Okay, starting to sell here. And guess what? So these two elements is so important for identifying the good and the valid equal high and equal low. So what was the first one? Trend line respect. The second was the mitigated. So I mean, you may ask yourself, well, what do you mean from the mitigated? I mean, price come and tap to the order block. I mean, the order block here, price gonna tap it and go down. I can show you. I'll be going to show you a real example here. And the third one is, this is not important, but if you saw that, if you identify that, I mean, if you spot that, that's gonna help you just to give you a confirmation. That the third thing that I'm going to tell you, it's gonna be just, let's say, a confirmation for the retail traders to go sell there. Okay, so this is gonna be the break of market structure here. So the trend line respect, mitigation, and break of market structure. If you saw this is going to be great liquidity to price take this out. Okay, because with these confirmation, all retail traders are selling here. And this is going to be exact for the equal low. Okay, so the first thing we're going to see, the trend line respect. Okay, price tapped into this trend line, respected. And mitigation, let's say we have order block here. Now the money is stuck here. And guess what? Price gonna take it up. So let me show you guys a real example in the example here. This is a great example of the equal high, a valid equal high. What we can see, the trend line respect, right? And also just look at the mitigation here. Money transfer to this area. Now the money is here, right? And as you can see also, price tapped into this area, because this area is the liquidity area for the retail traders, right? Just take a look. Okay, now give a fake reaction to them. Okay, give them a little bit fake profit and take them down, and go to up. Okay, start to going to up and take all of the liquidities here. This is going to be a great example of the equal high. We have the trend line respect. Okay, we have the order flow here. Okay, money transfer from here to here. This is a great equal high. Now let me just find another example for you guys. So I'm looking for a good example. So yeah, what we can see here, trend line respect, price tap to this order block. Now the money is here. Just take a look how prices start to fake reaction here and take them down, right? And you can just drag this and see price reverse exact from here. Okay, this is gonna be a great example of the equal high again for you guys. Okay, so if you said this, you're gonna say, okay, the sell side liquidity takeout, what's my next target gonna be? I have a great trend line liquidity here. Okay, if you count this also, so you're gonna say, okay, good. Now the money is stuck here, right? The order flow, money is stuck here, and guess what? Price is gonna take them all. And let me look for other example, if I can look for a great equal low, for example. So yeah, another question that you can ask, okay, let's say we have an equal low here, everything makes sense, but why price didn't take this out and price go up? This is gonna be your bias. This is gonna be the first rule that you're gonna use. Okay, for example, here we have a great equal low, right? Everything makes sense, trend line respect. For example, this is just example, guys. Let's say here, okay, we have the order block here. Now the money stock here, but why price didn't take out this equal low? Now don't, after this video, don't start to first of all look for the equalize and equal lows. The all stuff gonna be the same. What was our first rule to looking for the sell side and buy side? What we can see here, price take out the sell side liquidity. Okay, so I mean, just take a look to this beautiful equal low, right? Makes sense. Trend line respect. When it was a stock here, just look at this fake reaction. Done. Yeah. So price take this, let's say, sell side liquidity. Now after the sell side liquidity takeout, we are going to aim for the nearest swing high. This is going to be the nearest swing high, and these are the equal high. We have trend line respect, price tapped in, mitigate this, so the money is going to be stuck here, order block. Just look at this fake reaction. Okay, so that reason you must go with the rules. After the sell side takeout, now we are going to aim for these here. And when you're looking for the buy side and sell side, always look for the equal highs and equal lows with the way that I teach you right now. Okay, so there isn't this equal low that's gonna take up, because price is aiming for the buy side liquidity, right? Because price is aiming for the buy side liquidity, and that's reason you must first of all just follow the rules. The first rule, look for the buy side and sell side. When you're looking for the buy side and sell side, always take a look to the equal highs and equal lows. Not every two swing highs and swing lows going to be equal highs and equal lows for you guys. You must take a look to this element that I told you. And these money, let's say if you, another question you can ask, okay, so what we can do here, I don't recommend you to do anything here. Okay, let's imagine you are aiming for this sell side liquidity takeout. Okay, the money is stuck here, the liquidity is stuck here right now, and you are aiming for this, equal low to take out, right? So it's mean you must look for, let me delete all of this stuff here. It's mean you are looking for, let me just, this is the equal low. And we have the trend line respect, we have the order block, let's say, for example here, mitigation here, or even this, no problem. So yeah, we are aiming for this sell side takeout. So when we are aiming for this sell side takeout, the first rule done. The first rule told us you're going to take out the sell side liquidity, right? The second rule is looking for the range that is matched with your scenario. If you are watching this course new, I think you are going to be in level 1 or 2, or you're going to be in level 1. These are the level 2 and level 3 subjects. So if you're starting to be confused, don't watch this video. Just understand the equal lows and equal highs logic that I teach you here. These are going to be for the next subject. So yeah. Okay. So the next rule going to be the looking for the range that is matched with your scenario. So we are aiming for the sell side. We must look for the bearish range. How we can find the bearish range? The advanced range formula that I told you. We must look for the last buy sell liquidity takeout. The last buy sell liquidity takeout here gonna be this, for example, but here, let's imagine we don't have this data. The buy side takeout here. So the last buy side gonna be here. Above this, the nearest swing high we have gonna be this. This is gonna be strong high, weak low, and the rule number 3 gonna be the POI. So we are gonna go sell here, and this is gonna be our target. Okay, and with the MPR you can refine your entry to this. Okay, I'm trying to tell you guys the concept right now. So yeah, now the sell side takeout, what's our next target gonna be? The nearest swing high. After this candle takeout, what is the nearest swing high we have? Gonna be this nearest, three candle confirmation. So even we have an equal high here, right? So mitigation, right? And also money stock here, right? So what should I do? The next rule is gonna be, okay, we are aiming for the buy sell liquidity right now. This is gonna be our buy sell liquidity that we are looking for. The next rule is going to be looking for the range that is matched with your scenario. You're gonna you're gonna follow the advanced range formula. The advanced range formula is great. That's gonna help you a lot. So the last sell liquidity takeout gonna be here. Below this, the nearest swing low gonna be here. This is gonna be our strong low, and this is gonna be our weak high automatically. Okay. So the next rule you're going to go with, let's say, it's gonna be our high time frame POI. It's gonna be order block. But if you refine it with MPR, you're gonna find something like this, for example. Okay. So I don't want to dive into the MPR subject right now, but I put a lot of examples. So let's say we want to take a direct entry. So for more confirmation, we're gonna put our stop loss below this. Let me just look for the MPR here. I don't want to miss this data. Okay. Okay, let's say we're gonna go for this order block here, for example. Okay, I can't go to the low time frame, but let's say, yeah, for example, we catch a trade here, get back to our main time frame, 15 minutes. Our target gonna be this equal high, right? And also you can go for confirmation entry here. You can go also for confirmation entry here. That's gonna be here, something like this, for example, in 1 minute time frames. And this is going to be your target, the equal high. Everything makes sense, right? So this is the normal logic of the equal high and equal low. That's a tip that's going to help you a lot. So finding the correct equal lows and equal highs. If you have any questions, just let me know in the question section.